everyone, welcome back to the channel, and now for something completely different. We're here at Precision Acura of Princeton to check out this Mercedes-Benz Metris CEO VIP conversion van. It is loaded with everything you could want if you are a big dog, if you are the man who's got a driver to take you around in extreme comfort and luxury, or this could be the ultimate limo for parties into New York City here from Jersey, or it could be the ultimate Uber vehicle to ride around in. So we're going to go through this vehicle. We're going to show you all the unbelievable professional touches that was done. This conversion was professionally done in Beverly Hills, California for a Hollywood celebrity, and now it's available for anyone else to buy. So let's dig in. Front end of our Mercedes-Benz Metris. Now this is officially a 2019 Metris conversion van. Now the reason why they use the Metris for this is because it fits in your standard garage, unlike the Sprinter, which is too long and too high to actually fit in a standard garage. So that's why the Metris was used for this conversion. But we do have that Maybach grille. All the Maybach ads were done after the conversion was done in Beverly Hills as some extra touches on the vehicle, but it's not an official Maybach conversion. Now, as we come around to our wheel and tire setup, what do we got here? Well, we got 17-inch Mercedes Maybach wheels that look absolutely stunning. Now, these wheels are wrapped in hand-cooked Venus S1 Noble 2 all-season tires, 225 on the width of 55 series sidewall 17s, all four corners, rear-wheel drive. The black here is a wrap. The color underneath is white, just so you know. Looking good, but everything is blacked out. Looks really, really understated. And then, of course, we have power doors on either side, and up top, we got that same blacked out roof. The back end, we do have the wiper down below on the glass, but this is a major conversion. We have the Mercedes-Benz logo in the middle of the tailgate, that chromed up looking exhaust outlets right there, but the actual tailpipes are coming out from underneath the vehicle, of course. But conversion van, but who would know what the inside is going to look like? We'll check that out here in a second. In case you want to see the engine, here it is. This is Mercedes-Benz's 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, mated to a 7-speed automatic transmission, 208 horsepower, 258 pound-feet of torque, MPGs, 21 in the city, and 24 on the highway. Before we get into the interior, brand new, this conversion was done at a cost of $160,000. Now, a few years later, here in New Jersey, after the Maybach ads were made, as far as the wheels, the grille, that sort of thing, we're looking at a total vehicle asking price with only 10,000 miles on this van of $86,995. So let's check out where your driver would sit, and then we'll check out where you would sit. Okay, the door panels are standard Metris door panels for the driver. It's going to be gloss black with some flat black plastic, chrome door handles, good sized door pocket, but the seating is really where it's at. This is extremely premium leather. It's saddle with black piping, but they are uber comfortable. So you want to make sure your driver is very, very comfortable in here. Now, as we pop on in to this vehicle, here we go. We can turn off our four-way hazards. So what we have here is basically 2019 Mercedes. We do have the infotainment system. Of course, this is where you're going to make your phone calls. So it is a bit dated in here as far as the driver, but we got dual climate, right? You got traction control off. You can open up the doors right here from the front, right? You got USB connectivity right in here. You got a couple of cup holders, but the big ad up front on this conversion was your driver's refrigerator. So we got a few cup holders here, but you open this panel up. Oops, I got to get rid of this armrest. You open this panel up, and you have a nice, large refrigerator in here to keep drinks cool for your driver. Make sure he's happy. as he takes you around town like a big dog. The Mercedes steering wheel, it's leather, it feels good. Of course, the Mercedes-Benz emblem here. Now, it does feel like a van, so it is a bit tight to get into. So you want to make sure you have a driver that I would say is 5'10" or less. And then uh, you have your standard uh, dash right here with analog gauges, speedometer, tachometer, fuel level, coolant temperature. Small display in the center that your driver can go through to see additional information. The overhead console, the driver has all the action right here where you can turn on and off your automatic doors, your dome lighting, all that stuff. He's got a spot he can store his shades in. And then he has the controls for your area. So if you say, turn on the TV for me, buddy, TV goes on and off, radio on and off, panel lights. You want to talk to him via an intercom. He can either listen to you or talk back to you. If you want to know what your ETA is to the big time rock concert, maybe some heavy metal action going on. So they got everything loaded up in here. But now let's take a look at where the goods are, and that's in the back of this converted Metris. All right, so now let's step on in to this conversion. Look at this. Look at this action in here. I was just in this seat over here, but now we're moving over to the other seat, and here I am. I'm watching my TV, all the streaming services in here, Hulu, you know, all that kind of stuff. I can't remember all of them, but any streaming service you want is already hooked up on this via the vehicle's Wi-Fi hotspot that has been professionally done to maintain contact with limited buffering. But you will see some buffering in here. But look at this. Look at this. Ceiling. Right? Look at the colors up here. Down here, we can use this wheel to change the color of the ceiling. Like that. As we move our hand around the wheel, the ceiling color changes. And now we're back to blue. Or you can program it to go through a different color each certain amount of seconds, or you can set it to strobe. Here's your main panel back here where you have your ceiling lights, floor lights, dome lights, bar lights, the mood lighting, intercom to talk to the driver, your TV, your radio. Now, this button here, watch this. Hold it in. TV goes down, recesses down, so now you can see out the front and talk to your driver. And when you're done, you just can put the TV back up. Is that insane? Totally insane. Unbelievable. Or you can lock that out right here and keep it up. So they got you all set. You also have further down below here, you got HDMIs, USBs, you have your power seats, heated seats, 2 stages for both passengers, and then of course your recliner right here. Look at this wood. This is real wood, and this is just a storage area in here, but look how thick the wood panel is. And now we got felt lined in here, and look at these hinges for this little teeny weeny panel. This was really done really well as far as quality. And you have the same panel over here with your cup holders. You have a work table, an executive work table that will come out in front of you so you can work with your computer. All really nice wood, and then you can just put it on back in to where it belongs. And now you got your bar right here, and up top you got your Pioneer DVD Blu-ray player right here, so you can play movies on your TV, which is right there. And then you got your bar, right? You got your booze, the glasses right up here. You got your tumblers down here, ice chest to keep other kinds of drinks cool. All real wood, all nice and thick. The handles, everything feels of such quality. They really did an amazing job inside this Metris conversion. But I could just sit here all day. Just parked in the parking lot doing nothing, watching TV. We have Alcantara on the headliner, which feels unbelievable. You got your heat and air coming all the way around. So just crazy stuff. And this, of course, here's your remote for your DVD right there. So they got you set as far as that goes. So really, really well done on this conversion. And I'm just loving this TV. I got to do this again. That's crazy. That's just insane. Look at that. Just beautifully done. So let me know what you think. Would you like to hang out in here and go on a party? Take this into Manhattan? I think this would be just a hoot. Now, as we come to the back, we do have a tailgate here where we have extra storage, which is a manual tailgate. You just lift it up, comes all the way up. And now you have more storage in the back here. We have an area right underneath here where you can store more action. You have your subwoofer here for this JL audio system with a bazillion speakers and tweeters to really make it sound nice. Unfortunately, I can't turn that on due to copyright issues, but just really well done. And now if you just want to put your tailgate down, even though it's really big, it's really light and it just slams right back down. All right, folks, that's going to wrap it up for this video. We're not going to drive it, but this is not about driving it. This is about having a driver and then relaxing here in this VIP area in the back. That's what this is all about. TV, speakers, lighting, bar, the whole 9 yards. So you let me know. Is this something you would be interested in, number one, buying? Number two, renting out for a night, taking it into Manhattan? Or number three, if you do own a company like a limo company, maybe this is something you would want to have in your fleet for your clientele. You let me know in the comments. But I do want to thank Precision Acura of Princeton for allowing the channel access to this Mercedes-Benz Metris CEO VIP conversion. I do want to thank all of you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like. Please also consider subscribing and turn on that notification bell so you never miss another Shabby's Rides video. And I'll see all of you on the rebound. Take care, everyone.